Okay, I was in the middle of taking pictures of these really pretty clouds in the sunset. But I see some movement in the water. Okay, we'll get back to that. Want to see the sunset? Beautiful! It's like purple at the bottom and a little bit of pink and blue. Okay, back to this cloud. I'm fascinated by this beautiful cloud. The most beautiful cloud I've ever seen. Most beautiful night I've ever had in my, like a long time. Just absolute gorgeousness. I'm kind of walking in the lake right now. I have bugs on me. I want to see. There's some swimming going on over here. It's starting to tone down, but definitely movement of some sort. Did you just see lightning? If lightning comes out of that, you will never see a happier person in your entire life. I swear, if lightning comes out of that cloud again, because it looked like lightning. It doesn't look like a lightning cloud, but I swear I just saw lightning. I'm gonna keep my eye on that while I turn my head. Show you the absolutely gorgeous sunset. Holy shit, there is lightning in this cloud. Okay, now you've officially seen me. You've officially met the happiest person you'll ever meet in your entire history of meeting people. This is the best day I've ever had in my entire life. Better than snakes, better than anything. I love lightning, and I love getting lightning on video, which rarely happens. Because I'm usually facing the other direction. But there's definitely lightning in this most beautiful cloud I've ever seen. So this is literally the happiest day I've had in years. Or ever. As long as I get a lightning strike on video. If not, you will get to hear my demon voice. Like, literally, this cloud is, like, pink inside. It's like glowing. It is absolutely gorgeous. It doesn't look like a storm cloud at all. Come on, lightning. Do it. Do it. That is so weird. I saw a lightning strike while I was looking at the whatever's swimming in the water. Then I saw another one while I was showing you guys the sunset. And now it refuses to cooperate while I'm pointing the camera at it. I know you're not done. You're gonna wait for me to lose focus. Concentrate on some random bug going by, and then you're gonna strike again. I'm not giving up focus. I'm not. So let's get it over with. These people don't want to be here for 20 minutes watching for nothing. Go! Okay, did you guys see that? Did you? I was looking at the cloud. I mean, the camera is pointing where the lightning strike was. Went right off to this side of it, right over there. It kind of shot out of it. I'm really hoping it got it on the camera. So, or else you guys will think I'm just making this story up. Be like, yeah, there's no lightning. She's a liar. It's just a beautiful fluffy cloud. I said fluffy, but I meant to say fluffy. I want to show you guys the sunset again, but I'm afraid to turn away. I'll just turn my head. I will look at it and tell you how beautiful it is. Ah, so pretty. This is so absolutely amazingly freaking cool. Oh, there's another little one. That's a little one though. Give me a good one. Sorry. Ow. I think my shoulder hurts. Alright. I don't know how much longer I can hold the camera. I'm getting a cramp in my shoulder for some reason. Ooh, there's another one. I'm really, really hoping you guys are getting to see this. I'll be so sad. So it's in the same place, right off the front of it. Like there. Whoa, a drone! No, I want a freaking... Ah! I knew something would break my concentration. There is a drone. I want to show you the drone now. Okay, it's getting kind of high. Probably won't. Ah, shit. Oh, here's a flying bird. He's a big one. Oh, you can't see him. Sorry, when I zoom in, I really gotta hold still, and I tried. Anyway, there was a bird. Holy shit, that drone is way up there now. I probably won't be able to show you it. Jeez almighty. I'll try though in a minute. Watching for more lightning. Now this cloud is starting to get blurry. Well, that might have to be the end of it because the sun just went down. So it's getting darker and like it kind of looks a little bit blurry in my camera for some reason. I'll try to get one more lightning strike. Holy crap, that drone is high. I need a drone. I would just drone it right over to that cloud. I wonder how far away drones go. Because I bet that cloud is farther away than it looks. There was a little bit of flash inside the cloud, but... Oh man, it's high. Alright, I might give up on this. It really doesn't look that clear in the camera. Oh. there's a little bit inside the cloud. I think it's going to be too hard to see. Here's another last view of the beautiful sunset. Just went down right over there. And now we will try to find this drone. Okay. Well, it's blurry, but there's a drone. So there you go. You know, I don't like to give up on things, sorry. You can give up though if you want to stop watching now. I might stop in any minute now. Alright, I'll give up. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.